Back everyone. You may be having an issue with your Android for some reason where 5G just isn't working. So this can happen for any type of Android, whether it's a Google Pixel or it's a Samsung for some reason. Now, the main reason why this typically happens is because you're rocking, maybe a phone that doesn't support 5G. So a great way to tell, for example, like this Pixel 4a, I don't think supports 5G. So a great way to tell, like I mentioned, is to make your way over to your settings, and you want to go ahead and go under, network and internet, which is right here. You want to go ahead and find a option that says something like, cellular connection. In this case, you can see calls and SMS. You can click there and see if there's a 5G option. You can also go under, SIM, which is right here, and see if there's any 5G option as well. And sometimes you can actually go ahead and search within your settings right here, and you can search for something like 4G or 5G. So if 5G doesn't come up, then that probably means you don't have 5G. But if it does come up like with 4G, then that means you probably only have 4G enabled and you do not have, 5G yet on this device. So you will have to get a phone that supports that. Now let's say you know for a fact your phone supports 5G. Well, sometimes the SIM card that you have may not be a 5G supported SIM card. So if it's an eSIM, that's a little bit different. But if it's an actual SIM card you input into your device, you may want to go ahead, take it out, plug it back in, and see if that works. Or you may want to take it out and double check with your carrier to see if your SIM card is even 5G enabled, or you even have 5G in your area. Most probably, for a lot of you, you may already have a SIM card that's installed and it may be good and everything. The area that you're in just does not support 5G. And that happened with me, and my area pretty much still doesn't support 5G either. So you pretty much just have to wait until, T-Mobile, Verizon, AT&T, whoever you have, they start supporting 5G in your area. And that's really it. You pretty much just have to wait it out. Typically, that's what I had to do. And, if you're in a really busy area, like a very populated area, you probably will have 5G before everyone else. But it's a slow, ongoing process. And if 5G isn't working, those are pretty much the main ways to fix it. You can go ahead and reboot your phone. You can update your phone as well. But those are pretty much the first things that I take a look at. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.